This video shows how to replace the GPU from GPU Riser 2 on a PowerEdge XE2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To remove the GPU from GPU Riser 2, you must first remove GPU Riser 2. Starting with GPU Riser 2, loosen the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Now, holding the blue touch points, lift the riser and keep it upside down on the chassis frame. Then, disconnect the GPU power cables connecting to the PIB and move the riser out of the system. Press the lock on the bottom of the riser and slide to release the expansion card holder. Now, open the latch and then pull the GPU from the GPU riser. To replace the GPU into GPU Riser 2, insert the GPU firmly until it is fully seated. Close the PCIe card holder and the expansion card latch. Next, for GPU Riser 2, reconnect the GPU power cables and insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Then, tighten the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the GPU from GPU Riser 2 on a PowerEdge XE2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.